All right, Camden, what are you doing?
Is that good snow?
Are you eating snow? Camden, does it taste good? Does it taste real good? Say yes, sir.
What's it taste like?
Ice
Nothing.
cream. She said ice cream. All right, tell Aunt Shelly to get on the sled.
Is it my turn? All right, you gonna cheer me on?
All right. Okay, Camden. Say go, Aunt Shelly.
Go, Aunt Shelly.
All right, they're all. All right, Zoe. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Please.
Are you ready, Kylie?
Woohoo!
All right, go put your snow ice cream down. Aunt Shelly, are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, Camden, are you ready to watch them? No? Okay. All right. Now, we're going to let Aunt Shelly hold on to this. Go, Kylie, are you holding on tight?
Yeah.
All right, everyone's holding on tight. All right.
And here we go.
All right, y'all ready?
We're gonna go really fast. Y'all ready?
All right, you may not want to lean to the side when we go.
Okay. We're gonna go really fast.
Here we go.
Here we go!